Hey guys, I'm Georgio.
I'm Thessy, the founder of SABO, and welcome to our house, Greece.
So we've just walked through the entrance of the house and we're going into this beautiful courtyard in the middle.
This part of the house was integral for our Mediterranean brief to the architect. So he did a deep dive into Mediterranean architecture and found courtyards in houses in Greece are very common. It's a really great way to let in natural light.
With our landscaping, we chose a Madagascar Jasmine stephanotis. Hopefully this will grow all the way across and it'll literally just overtake the courtyard. Des doesn't know this yet, but we want to put a little bit of basil and other little herbs in here too. So as soon as you walk through, you'll get to feel and smell all the aromas too. All right guys, so come on through. We're going now into our kitchen and living. Des, what can you tell us a little bit about?
So we focused a lot here on a really neutral but warm aesthetic tone. We obviously spend a lot of time here eating and spending time with our kids, so we just wanted somewhere to look beautiful and be functional for us and our family. So one of our favourite finishes in the house, which complements the brushed brass ABI products perfectly, was the Patagonia stone. Just the tones and the fact that it's a quartized granite.
Quartized granite,
so
yeah.
It's very durable and it looks really beautiful and is a feature in the house, and that's one of our favourite parts of the kitchen.
Now guys, moving into our alfresco area. As you can see, we've got multiple areas for multiple parts of the day. So we tend to have breakfast in the courtyard, have lunch in the dining space, and then dinner underneath the stars.
So one of my favourite parts as well, living in Queensland, we are very grateful we have a pool to swim in. My kids spend all day here. We built a suspended pool so that when you do walk in through the main level, you're greeted with that view and the pool in the forefront of your view. We built a bit of a ledge for the kids with the Greece branding. Should we go upstairs?
Let's go. So one of the things that we love most about the house is how it shoots you around to where you need to sort of go. So obviously we've used curvature around the walls. Coming up the stairs, we've got our guest bedroom, and then moving in, we've got the two kids' bedrooms. So little JJ's is in the corner, and then Zani's over here. And we've also got our second living space.
This space I feel will be our kids' main hangout area as they get a little bit older and they want some time with their cousins or friends. We also have the kids' bathroom and toilet here. Generous sized bathroom, and the brushed brass finishes are consistent through the whole house, so we've continued that up here as well. So this is the master bedroom, my personal favourite area because I get to spend a lot of time in here. To my left, we have our shared office. Georgio and I both run our own businesses, so we spend a lot of time here. Coming through here, we have our main bed.
And that's the second bedroom.
And my second bedroom, AKA my wardrobe. Apparently it's too big, but I've somehow run out of room. So this is the bed and the balcony and the view. You also get a beautiful view over the pool, which we love. Into the master, we've got our double vanities, double showers, and our bathtub. We chose this really rustic tile, which we love, that complements the viola stone really well. And again, the brushed brass accessories. And this is the perfect bathroom for us. It's a great size and it's been really comfortable.
So now we're gonna go to what is my favorite part of the house and something that we put a lot of thought and detail into, not only on the way that it looks, but the way that it's gonna make you feel. Let's head on downstairs.
So we're just heading down to our lower level where you'll find the laundry to my left and a spare bathroom here to my right, both beautifully finished off with travertine finishes, and I especially love my laundry barn sink. It's amazing.
So something that's all over Greece is the micro cement floors. We altered it up a little bit, so we didn't do a smooth finish on the floor. We did like kind of a textured finish. We also did a render through majority of the walls throughout the house.
And it complements our exposed concrete, which I am a massive fan of.
This is where our wellness space starts. We've got a gym on the right here. We've got our sauna, something that gets used probably every 2 days. Absolutely love it. And then we've got an ice bath. So like a full chilled out space, get it down to about 7 degrees and really rejuvenate and refresh for the week ahead. So we've got like a bottom level alfresco over here. We tend to use this for shoots, so we've kept it fairly bare. Coming down the steps, obviously you can see that the backyards connect, and the reason why is?
So my brothers and I bought blocks next to each other, and both of my brothers are our neighbours. So we knock down the fences and all the kids meet in the backyard, and they have the best time. So we'll tend to just sit up on the stairs and bring down afternoon tea, and they play here, and it's honestly a dream come true. I like to call this house a real Pinterest board. So I wake up and I open my eyes and I feel like I'm sitting in my Pinterest board. And everywhere you look, every single corner reflects that as well.
A functional Pinterest board.
A functional, it's true.